Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to do a plan with me in my B6 Traveler's Notebook. I do plan on doing a setup video of this planner soon-ish. I'm just not ready yet. I mean, when are we ever ready to film a setup video? But I will show you my weekly spreads. The inserts that I have in here are in our shop. You can get them as a printable, and that's what I'm going to be using in this plan with me. And I use these as a memory spread, so you might see me referencing my bullet journal, because what I'm going to do is do a memory spread of everything that happened this past week. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get started, but to make it easier, I'm going to pull my inserts out of my planner. Okay, so I'm not going to be using a kit for this spread. I made myself a little sticker book full of like my personal stickers from other shops that I recently received. So I'm excited to be looking through that. I think I will use the date covers that come in this kit. And then I'm going to use some stickers that I have marked from this Happy Planner sticker book. There's a lot of really great stickers in here, and I hardly ever use this, so instead of using a kit, I'm just gonna pull a bunch of different things together to make a spread. So I'm gonna start by putting down the date covers. Alright, so this week, this past week has been spring break for me. So Monday I really didn't have anything that I had to do. So I'm just kind of marking that I watched The Walking Dead, and my handwriting looks like doo-doo, but you know what? That's okay. I'm just gonna move on, because this is what happens. It's real life. So there you go. I'm just gonna be real with y'all. It's not always pretty and perfect. Okay. I'm gonna grab this little Happy Life sticker just to kind of fill up some of the space, and because I was on spring break and I was super happy. Okay, and then to just fill up some space down at the bottom, I think I'm gonna use this sticker right here. And maybe one of these colorful headers from Lovely Planner Nerd. These are really cute. Okay, I'm gonna grab one of these half boxes to just put in here that I'm having a super lazy day. Okay, I'm just gonna use one of these Sleepy Lunas. Okay, so Tuesday is trash day, so I'm gonna put one of our little trash can stickers down. Okay, one of my goals on Tuesday was to clean out the fridge, so I'm gonna put that down. And I'm gonna use this Luna sticker right here, because that's kind of how I felt about cleaning out the fridge. I'm gonna use another one of these headers, and then down here I'm just going to put that we ordered pizza, which I'm trying to be really good and not eat junk anymore, but I don't know, sometimes it's just so hard to have that willpower. And I'm gonna use one of these pizza stickers from this Bando sticker book that I have. Okay, moving on to Wednesday, let's see. I think on Wednesday I'm gonna start with a full box sticker since I put one down over here. Okay, I'm gonna put this other Happy Planner sticker down right here. Okay, so I did have a couple of to-dos on Wednesday for work, so I'm gonna put down a header. And I think I'll use one of these checklists. Sometimes I do color blocking, but I'm trying to just do a bunch of different colors. Okay, and I'm gonna grab one of our laptop stickers to put that down for my computer work. Okay, and then Wednesday night we had some Sonic shakes because they're like half price after 8 p.m. So I'm just gonna use this cute little sticker from Pop Mix Designs. Sonic is one of my guilty pleasures, as is pizza. Okay, I'm gonna start with a to-do header on Thursday and a checklist. Okay, so I'm gonna grab one of these stickers from Banana Doodle Shop. I like using these to mark when I go to the post office and drop off orders. They're just really cute. And then on Thursday, I painted my nails, so I'm gonna grab one of these stickers from Bando. Just put that down. And then I'm gonna put down this little fingernail sticker, but I'm gonna cut off the finger. I don't even know if that's gonna look like like a fingernail, but whatever. I'm just trying to fill up the space. Okay, and then down here I'm gonna put another full box sticker. And then on top of that, I think I'm gonna use this sticker right here. So I'm gonna start with this Friday sticker right here from KPL Plans. And maybe, why not, I'll use these little balloons. And then below that, I'm going to put down another header from Lovely Planner Nerd. Okay, actually, I think I want to put this weekend banner across the top right here, so I'm going to peel these up if I can and move them down. Because I love using weekend stickers, and Friday, in my mind, Friday counts as the weekend since it's kind of the beginning. Then I think I'll put down one of these sticky note stickers from Aria's Daydream. Ooh, what color? Probably pink. I'm gonna wish I would have saved this later, but that's okay. Look how cute. And then I'm gonna put down one of these mail stickers from Sincerely Kawaii. On Friday, I received my package from Choose to Do. Okay, and then on Friday, I filmed the last video that I uploaded, which was a planner haul. So I'm gonna put down one of our camera stickers to mark that. Let's see. And then I think I'm gonna grab this cute box from Grin & Barrett. If it'll fit. Ooh, yes, it'll overlap a little bit, but that's okay. I don't mind. Maybe I'll pull it down just a little bit. Oh, I need to center it. There we go. Because on Friday I ordered my Foxy Fix Perfect Fit cover for my Stalogy notebook. I'm so excited. Okay, so Saturday I don't really have a whole lot of room and I had some to-dos, so I'm gonna use this little box right here from Happy Planner. Okay, so on Saturday I did my first live video on Instagram, so I'm gonna mark that with one of our little phone stickers. Okay, so Sunday was my last day of spring break and I had a lot of things to do around the house in preparation for the next week. So I'm just gonna start with a to-do header. I think I'll do yellow. And then I'm gonna grab this freebie, whoops, from Van Sticky. And I'm gonna use this little scalloped checklist for all my to-dos. And then on Sunday, I went to bed pretty early so that I can make sure I got enough sleep. So I'm gonna use one of these bedtime stickers from Van Sticky. Okay, so I'm pretty much done, but I do have these spaces down here to fill up. Normally, like when I'm planning throughout the week, I'll put down like things that I need to buy at the grocery store and some things that I want to remember about the week. But since this is kind of like a memory spread, I'm just gonna cover this up with washi. But first, I'm gonna use this whiteout and cover up this stuff. I probably should have done that with the days of the week before I put the date covers down, but that's okay. Maybe I'll do these little dots too. I feel like this is so wasteful. Like, I personally don't care that much, but I know a lot of people are kind of nitpicky about that. Okay, so now I have a blank canvas for my washi, and I think I'm going to start with this one. The washi I'm using is from Michaels, I think. Could be Hobby Lobby, but I bet you it's Michaels. And then for the bottom, I'm going to use this wider washi. Okay guys, so that's pretty much my spread. I am going to go ahead and put it back into my planner. Alright guys, so that completes this Plan With Me video. I'm sorry it had been so long since I had done one of these, but I've just been super busy, but I really did enjoy this. I hope you liked it, this spread. I know it's a little bit different, but I like pulling stickers from different shops and even from Michaels and just making a complete spread with all the different colors. So let me know what you guys think, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!